Good morning, class. Hope you are fine. In our previous lesson, we have learned about abacus. Now we are going to learn about Charles Babbage and Pascaline. I am going to read first two paragraphs on page number 4 and 5. Teacher, this is the Pascaline, a calculating machine. Pascal invented it in 1642. It could do addition, subtraction, but it was not an automatic machine. The user had to turn the dials to enter the number to be added. Rima, whose picture is this? Teacher, this is Charles Babbage. He is known as the father of the computers. Teacher, more than 100 years ago, Charles Babbage designed computers that worked like modern computers, but they were not actually made in this time. Anwar, ma'am, there are not any wires or plugs in these machines. Teacher, good observation, Anwar. These were mechanical machines, like your bicycle. Important points. Pascaline is the calculating machine. Calculate to add. Blaise Pascal invented in 1642. Invent to discover. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. Computer, a machine for performing calculation. Number 4. Charles Babbage designed modern computers. Design, the creation of something. This is your first activity. On page number 7, you have to do it in your homework copies. Name the machines. It had rods made of ivory. Napier bones. It had beads for counting. Abacus. It looks like a box and had many dials. Pascaline. It was designed in 1847. Analytical engine. This is your second activity. You have to do it in your homework copies. What do you know about the Pascaline? Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next lesson. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.